Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with first lesson of Midjourney. So it's going to be much more exciting than prompting in ChatGPT, just simply because we will see some pictures. So that's going to be in a minute, but before we started, obviously, I want to talk a little bit about me and the channel, and maybe want to introduce you to giveaways. They're going to be on the channel. So first things first, I'm just going to climb. I'm gonna climb 5,000 yacht. So for those people who don't know what the fuck is on the screen, is the TOYGERS app, and I'm ambassador of TOYGERS. Yeah, that sounds like massive word, ambassador. Don't really wanna talk much about this because there's basically going to be, I mean, it's already the separate playlist, so if you want to dive into that topic of TOYGERS, you can just go to the separate playlist. But long story short, it's basically what's going to be is going to be free giveaways for you guys, and there are going to be a premium giveaways. So obviously the free version is for free, so everybody can participate, and the premium version or exclusive version is going to be for the people who are going to pay for it. But I'm highly going to promote the free version because obviously I will promote TOYGERS, which ultimately I will promote my brand as well, which ultimately I will have proper partnership with them, which ultimately I will basically create my own toy within this app. So first thing first, you want to go through my referral link. You want to download the TOYGER. Well, you don't really download it, you can just use the bot on their website, and then you will have something like this spin, and you can spin that. And for those people who are going to grind certain amount of points, I will announce that you will have the separate Telegram account for free rewards. So I think the first reward is going to be for people who will grind 1 million points, and 1 million point is not really a big deal. If you will do this on daily basis, that's gonna probably take you I don't know, couple of days. So I might even change that, like the first giveaway is going to be for people who actually gonna grind much more. But either way, it's going to be a giveaway. I don't know the rules yet because I didn't create them yet. Maybe it's going to be like 100 million points grind, and then it's going to take you, I don't know, 3 months or 4 months to do so. But I will do something amazing for that giveaway. It's not going to be some fuck all giveaway. It's going to be something amazing. And the thing is, like, because I just opened my brand, so on the beginning, I just simply don't have fucking money to do my vision, because obviously nobody is supporting me. But I really believe in that project, TOYGERS. I really believe to share that beauty, that TOYGERS, basically that those toys with people who can't afford to buy them. Well, I'm the one who are not able to afford to buy anything right now, but what I'm trying to say, I just super excited about this, and I just want to share my passion to this project by basically doing the giveaways, and ultimately, obviously, advertising myself, advertising this brand, getting proper partnership with them, because right now I'm just ambassador, quote unquote, because I bought one toy, and everybody who will buy one toy will ultimately have like sort of name of ambassador of that brand. But well, I don't have any like connection with them. I didn't network with them, and my goal is to do this. But I reckon I will need like million of points to be able to access some stuff from them. Long story short, I read all the newses on the Telegram and all the newses on the X platform a couple of times, so I sort of familiarize myself with what's going to happen. And with that being said, I think I'll be able to create my own toy and do like fuckloads of giveaways on this channel, like free ones and obviously exclusive ones. So that's why I'm so excited. If what I'm saying right now doesn't make any sense, just don't worry. I'm actually tired, so it's hard to connect all the fucking dots. But ultimately, if you are going to start to spin, there's going to be announcements for the free giveaways. Probably you will need to grind a couple of points, like fucking 100 million or something, because I said like 1 million, but 1 million is fuck all. You can do probably in one day. So yeah, basically I will try to hook you up with some really good stuff on their website, app. So it's not going to be like flashy sticker for 1 million, for 100 million points. I will try to do like massive fucking giveaway just for one person. And then at some point, hopefully I'll be able to do for 10 people, for 20 people, for 50 people. But the first giveaway, I'm thinking like it's going to be fucking big, fucking massive. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Like, I sort of have an idea what they're going to provide me with, because they already done some announcements. So I will have like hats, hoodies, jewelry, and it's going to be some candles and stuff like that. So obviously I won't be able to do this for free as a free giveaways, but like I said, one giveaway, free giveaway, why not? Maybe once per couple of months. Definitely I will try to do this, but then obviously the best giveaways or more giveaways are going to be on membership. So basically, if you will go through my coffee website and you will apply for the membership with the monthly fee, then obviously I will get stuff from them and then just hook you up with that stuff. But a lot of stuff to talk, a lot of stuff to happen, and we're just gonna carry on with the lesson. So yeah, if you wanna support me, go play the game. And yeah, one more thing, like that's actually fucking important, I suppose to say that. I said that in the beginning, like even if you're not going to have like anything from me from the giveaway, I'm not saying like I'm not gonna do it, I'm definitely gonna do it, but just simply on the beginning it might be just one giveaway for a couple of months, and then I will try to do like more frequently and then try to get stuff for more people. What I'm trying to say, for spinning on this app, I don't know when that's going to happen, probably this year, and getting those points you will actually receive from the TOYGERS this stuff what I just told you right now. So you will have the hoodies, proper hats, proper some, I don't know how it's going to look like, but I just telling you the stuff which I read, and you can go on the X and read about this as well, but you don't really need to, because I ultimately will be doing on this channel, I will cover all the fucking newses because I'm like super hooked into that. Okay, so without no further ado, actually super long, 8 minutes. I will try to cut my introduction to at least 5 minutes on the next video, because that's what I'm going to basically say on the beginning of the video, but I guess people are not retarded and they can skip. Where is second? I just need to drink the water. We're just going to start in a minute the first lesson. Just give me a second. The first lesson of the Midjourney. I'm actually excited about it because all those fucking courses I've done already 3 times. So on the ChatGPT, I didn't really have much enthusiasm to crack on with it, because like fuck me, I'm doing this 4th time. What the fuck, right? But that Midjourney is going to be much pleasant time for me, at least, because we actually going to see something on screen. You know, some fucking pictures, right? So yeah, just give me a sec. Okie dokie. So, quick start, Midjourney, lesson 1. Introduction, 10 minutes, oh fuck it, or maybe I'm supposed to do that. Just keep that in mind. First 10 minutes is going to be introduction if you want to carry on with other lessons. So And I will just do the introduction basically all the time about the TOYGERS because I'm super fucking excited to get, trying to get the partnership with them, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway.
To Midjourney, hello. I'm Emma. Today, I'm excited to show you how to become a graphic Midjourney's capabilities. You don't have to spend years in art school to become an in-demand designer. Midjourney, you can start creating stunning images right now. When I first started, I was amazed at how quickly I could create professional grade artwork. I can't wait for you to experience the same. Many people already do so. They make illustrations for social networks and custom characters, and even sell their artwork online. Possibilities are endless. But to start earning with AI, you need to understand how it works. That is, master prompt engineering. Don't worry. In this course, I will teach you all the secrets of Midjourney. You will be able to create images, portraits, log pictures, and arts like a pro. You can create images, portraits, log pictures, and art like a pro. The importance of prompts. Before we start, you need to know that prompt engineering is the key to unlocking Midjourney's full potential. A well-crafted prompt can make all the difference in generating the perfect image. Every prompt at Midjourney starts with commands, for example, imagine. We'll further explore other commands, but for now, let's start with the basics. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay.
Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay.
Fine-tuning your prompts.
Fuck me, I don't want to skip the practice. Jesus.
Welcome to Midjourney, hello. Midjourney, when I first, many people already, but to start earning, don't worry. The importance of every prompt at now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay. Good practice, is it? Imagine. So basically, yeah, we in OpenAI in ChatGPT when we doing the slash imagine, that will just basically turn that first trigger word into like blue words. So basically, you will use the Midjourney engine to create the image, basically. So create an image of a beautiful sunset over the ocean. So yeah, like I said, I'm much more excited to like doing this another time. Just simply because actually we have some pictures, so it's not boring at all to carry on with this one. So yeah.
Fine-tuning your prompts. Well done. You have just created your first AI art. See, Midjourney creates 4 different images for your prompt. You can choose one and fine-tune it further. As you get more comfortable with Midjourney, you'll learn to write more complex prompts and fine-tune them for even better results. Here are some tips for the future. 1. Be specific. The more detail you provide, the closer the result will be to your vision. 2. Experiment. Try different styles and subjects to see what works best. Fine. The first result isn't perfect. Tweak your prompt and try again. Vision. Great. Now got a quick start guide to use Midjourney and the basics of prompt engineering. Remember, every great designer started somewhere. You're already on your way. Next steps. Next lesson, we'll start creating your first AI art together and practice making prompts. Stay curious.
Okie dokie, so there you go. There's like just a super quick lesson, my introduction into cut to 5 minutes, and then we talking about 10 minutes lesson. So I think that's it for now. Yes. So obviously, if they're not yet, I don't remember, the screenshots from that lesson, they are going to be on my website, by the way. So obviously, if you will go to switchtopro.com, and the website is Spanish and English. So you will figure which language you want to read. And yeah, obviously we'll go to the basics of AI Coursiv course, and you can just read through summary and see the pictures and see the questions and prompts. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you very much, guys. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye for now. And ideally, I wanna switch off the recording.